your thoughts about just going there, seeing all our kapamilya?
I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm already thinking about landing already. Sana nandun na ako. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm just so pumped.
Oh, and this is your first time, right?
Yes, it's my first time to be joining ASAP sa isang out of the country trip. So, this is gonna be memorable for sure.
So, si KD hindi kasama, no? Hindi
Kasama siya. Magkaiba lang kami ng flight.
Okay.
Kasi I think as a host, I need to be there earlier.
Okay. And then, do you have plans?
I believe we're gonna shoot some spills around. I just don't know where exactly. But hopefully makapag-day trip din kami sa Calgary naman kung sana sila Darren naman.
Is this your first time in Vancouver?
Yes, in Canada in general. Yeah.
What are your expectations?
I'm expecting it to be a little cold right now, but I love the cold. Never bothered me, so I'm just so excited.
And I wanted to know because every time we go out of the country for ABS-CBN, we get something, no, sa mga ating mga pamilya, yung warmth of Filipinos. So, ano lang yung, mabibigay niyo doon?
Of course, ando na nga yung warmth. We want to give hope kasi ang dami nangyayari ngayon, and I can't imagine how it must feel to be so far away from home. Kaya kami naman nagpupunta sa Canada to let the Filipinos feel the warmth.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Picture yan. Bye! Bye-bye na! Bye! Thank you po!
Ang dami kong kamag-anak dito. Ang dami kong kamag-anak.
Robbie, we're heading to Vancouver.
Vancouver, yes.
Your thoughts about just going there and seeing all our kapamilya?
After the big success of ASAP in Birmingham, we're so excited to bring the fun and the happiness over there in Vancouver. So sa Vancouver, I'll be meeting with Darren, with Belle, Edward, and Alexa right here. So eto kami, we're gonna start the grind when we go there. Ikot na kami, maglilibot na kami for footage shots and everything, and then sabay na rehearsal.
One last question na lang, gaano ka-importante for you guys to be able to see all our kapamilyas in Vancouver?
Oh, definitely. This is a sign of gratitude sa support na binibigay nila, not just for ASAP, but for ABS-CBN. After everything that happened, lalo-lalo na mga kababayan natin, EFC, mahal na mahal namin yung mga kababayan namin. And we're bringing a piece of this Filipino love over there in Canada. Kaya itong pagmamahal na to, ito, mararamdaman naman yan. See?
Alright, God bless your flight,
Thank
Robbie.
you.
Thank you so much. One photo lang. One photo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Robbie.
Papasmile ako muna sa likod eh.
Photo na kuya sa asa. Oh, wala, di ba?
Oh, nakasama pa oh. Kaya na kami.
Sir, paano naman kami?
Okay. Ay, okay. Okay po. Okay. Bawal po
ano lang pakiramdam? You get to see the Filipinos there.
Natutuwa ako. It's my first time going to Vancouver. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be with the Pamundos this time to do a promo there, and of course with my ASAP family. We're so happy to be part of this and to make our kapamilya stay happy.
Every time we go somewhere, kasama yung mga kapamilya, we give a piece of the Philippines to them. Alam mo yun, we're showing them yung warmth ng mga Filipino. So, just going there, ano ba mga abangan ng ating mga kapamilya sa inyo?
Oo, madami. You know, last time I did rehearsals and then we did a lot of recording. And this time, nakakatawa siya kasi talagang I'm so excited to show it to our community.
Segue lang kami about the movie that's coming out. Grabe no, grabe the reception of the people.
Oh, yeah.
Grabe on social media. What can you say about that?
I'm so happy. I've been seeing a lot of their feedbacks. I've been reading a lot of their messages. I'm so happy na a lot of them really got a gist of family, and that's what we really want to bring to them. You know, it's a story of I would say hope. Sana maparating natin yung pamilya sa buhay natin.
Alright, well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Ingat, one photo na lang. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye. Ingat.
Thank you.